Hi, I'm Allison. This is Wonder Crochet, and today we're going to do a little show and tell. I'm going to show you what I crocheted this summer. I do realize that it is October already. I'm a little late on this, but better late than never, right? So this isn't exactly everything that I crocheted this summer, just because a lot of it has already been sold and shipped off to their new homes. So if you'd like to see really everything I crocheted this summer, just give me a follow on Instagram. I post everything that I make there, and I also take a lot of requests for things that you want to see me make next. And last short plug before we get started, if you'd like to learn how to crochet amigurumi, which is all these cute plushes that you see here, I have a full online course to teach you. I've taught over 1,000 students how to crochet, and it's really in-depth and detailed, everything that you need to be a confident crocheter and not make mistakes from the beginning. So if you want to check that out, it's in the description, and let's jump in. So I wrote down everything that I wanted to show today so that I can just grab it, and this really is just going to be show and tell, which is actually one of my favorite videos to just sit here and talk because I enjoy rambling. Okay, this first one, and really I'm going back from I think the beginning of June and just going through and showing some of my favorite things that I crocheted this summer. And this isn't everything, and if I do want to show you something that I've already sold, I'll just pop a picture in here. You'll see things disappearing from the shelves as we go along. The first one I want to show you, well, first two, are these little ducks. I did a yellow duck and a mallard duck, and these are actually free patterns on my blog. I'll link those in the description too if you want to make them yourself. I actually made these on a road trip to North Carolina that I had to take for work. My husband was very nice to drive most of the way so I could work on these, and I just love these. I think that they're cute with the little flowers on their head. It's an easy beginner pattern. If you want to make these, check out my free pattern. This next one was a crowd favorite just because of how well loved this character is, but this Pooh Bear plush. And this is actually not the original I made. I sold the original and I wanted to make another one, so I did. This is also a free pattern on my blog. So apparently this summer I made a lot of free patterns. These next two, I actually started a series of woodland creatures and them doing different outdoorsy activities. I love being in the woods, hiking, that kind of stuff. So I wanted to make these because I feel like they reflected my personality. I only made 3 so far because I got distracted with a lot of other things, but here is Cody the camping bear with the little hat and his camping pack here, and then Henry the hiking fox with his hiking stick and his little backpack. Honestly, the backpacks are my favorite part of these patterns. These patterns are in my shop, but I'll let you in on a little secret. Ribbler's giving away free patterns every day of October. It's called Ribbler Treat. October 16th, you might see this little guy pop up on Ribbler. So make an account and save him to your favorites because you might see him pop up. And I have so many more that I want to make. I love these. They're not as popular as some of my other patterns like my backpacks, but I think I'm gonna make them just because I want to. This next one, I actually made a YouTube tutorial on how to make these. The chunky frog. It's also a free pattern on my blog. I've made 4 of these now, and I've sold all but 1. So if you want to adopt this one, you can from my website. This was my most popular free pattern, I think, just because it's simple, it's cute. Frogs are very in right now. They've been in for a while, and I get it, they're cute. So if you're a beginner crocheter and you want to learn how to make this, I'll link the video. Chunky frog. I can't remember when it was that Fall Guys came out. When it came out on Switch, I loved it and I played it for days. So of course I had to crochet my own Fall Guys plush with a crown. Not that I've ever gotten one, but this is another free pattern on my blog. A lot of you have already made this, and I love seeing it in all the different colors. I'd love to see it in new skins too. Maybe I'll make an addition to the free pattern. Let me know if you want to see that. I just love this one. This next one I put on the list to show you, and then I sold it, and it was my koala backpack. I love making animal backpacks. I have a panda sloth, turtle, cow, frog, Pooh Bear. All the patterns for these are in my shop. Really cute for kids too, but I'm an adult and I would still wear them in public, so. Next one is my hedgehog plush. This one is also in my shop. As you can see, the spines are all bobble stitches, so it definitely takes a while to make. It's a labor of love, but I promise you it's worth it. I had one of my testers make this into Sonic the Hedgehog, so they made it blue and is super, super cute. The next one I'm working on in this style is a squirrel, so stay tuned for that. Another one I made this summer that is actually a fall pattern is this jack-o'-lantern crossbody bag. So this is actually a 2-in-1 pattern, also in my shop. You can make a pumpkin version that has like the vines coming down, or this jack-o'-lantern version. The jack-o'-lantern is definitely more popular, but the pumpkin one's cute too. I think it's the perfect little fall bag to take to a farmer's market or anything like that. It's cute. And going with the same theme, I made a sunflower bag too. And all of these have working zippers and they actually hold a good amount of stuff too. So if you want to get this pattern or the jack-o'-lantern, they're both in my shop. And I'm actually working on a brand new, it's another Halloween themed bag that I'm working on now and should be done with hopefully this weekend. So give me a follow on Instagram if you want to see that. These next two are probably my most popular patterns that I've ever made. My frog backpack and my Kirby backpack. As you can see, the mouth is where you put all the stuff in. And it has the straps here. And it can hold quite a bit, and it holds its shape once. I'm having too much fun. Once you actually put stuff in there. I love this to carry yarn with me and like my crochet hooks and such. But there's the frog one. And then of course, because you know I'm a big Kirby fan, I had to make a Kirby one too, since Kirby likes to eat everything. I think, yeah, I have yarn in this one right now, but I really had a lot of fun making both of these. If you want to make them, patterns are in my shop. And the last one that I want to show you is this Kirby plush with a little whipped cream and strawberry. I got this idea from the new Kirby game on Switch, so I had to make this Kirby version. The base for this is a free pattern on my blog. It's a Valentine's theme, so Kirby's holding a heart instead of the strawberry, but the strawberry is a tutorial on my YouTube, so you can learn how to make that there. So those are some of my favorite things that I have crocheted this summer. I've made a lot since then, like some of the things you can see here. Check them out on my Instagram. Let me know what kind of video or tutorial you want to see in the comments. Give me a like and subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.